Thank you for purchasing the FaceVerify time clock. What we're going to do is show you what's inside the box so we can get your up and running. First of all, we have a wall mounting template for mounting the FaceVerify on the wall. Some marketing material. We have your CD, your install guide, warranty card, and registration card. Alright, we also have a wall mounting bracket for the FaceVerify time clock. Your power adapter to plug in your FaceVerify clock. FaceVerify clock itself. And then we have a Ethernet cord with wall screws and wall brackets, measuring tape, and a stylus. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the timeQplus CD out of the package. And you're going to take this and put this into your CD-ROM drive. And on the back, you'll notice you have your serial number and install key so you can install the software.